Welcome back to the Network News. Our channel go to the latest in technology and innovation. Donald Trump's return as the 47th President of the United States signifies a bold declaration of reclaiming sovereignty, restoring safety, and rebalancing justice. His inaugural address promised a shift in America's trajectory, claiming that the nation's decline had come to an end. This moment sets the stage for examining how Trump's foreign and domestic policies may evolve, and what it means for global diplomacy, economic strategy, and national security. How will Trump's approach to governance affect America's role on the world stage? And what can Americans expect from his second term in office? On January 20th, 2025, Donald Trump began his presidential inauguration with a prayer service at St. John's Episcopal Church in Washington, D.C. This tradition is not only a spiritual beginning to the day, but also a symbolic gesture of unity and reflection for the incoming administration. The participation of influential figures, such as tech leaders and political elites, in this service speaks to the continued role of religion in American politics and the influence of tradition on modern inaugurations. This moment serves as a backdrop for discussing the intersection of faith, politics, and public life in the U.S. The presence of top tech CEOs at Trump's inauguration, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook, Sundar Pichai, and Elon Musk, illustrates the growing influence of Silicon Valley on politics. These CEOs are not only shaping the future of technology, but also becoming key players in shaping public policy. Their participation in high-profile events like presidential inaugurations highlights the interconnectedness of politics, business, and technology. This raises questions about how corporate interests shape political decisions, and how political leaders might interact with the tech industry to address pressing issues like data privacy, regulation, and AI advancements. In a candid moment, Google CEO Sundar Pichai and Tesla CEO Elon Musk were seen looking at their smartphones during the inauguration. While Pichai used a Google Pixel 9, Musk was holding an iPhone 16 Pro. This unexpected choice by Musk, once a vocal critic of Apple's collaboration with OpenAI, highlights a complex relationship between the two tech giants. The image of these leaders with their devices serves as a metaphor for the ongoing tensions between major tech companies and the blurred lines of competition, collaboration, and data privacy in the modern digital age. It's notable that Google CEO Sundar Pichai, known for leading one of the biggest tech companies globally, was seen using the Google Pixel 9 during the inauguration. This raises interesting questions about brand loyalty and corporate image, particularly when such public figures make choices that could seem counter to their professional affiliations. For Pichai, using a Pixel device at such a prominent event could be seen as a reaffirmation of Google's brand, but it also highlights the complexities of personal versus professional identities in the tech world. This moment provides insight into how tech CEOs interact with their products and public perceptions. Elon Musk's past criticisms of Apple's collaboration with OpenAI have been well documented, but his decision to carry an iPhone 16 Pro raises questions about his evolving relationship with Apple. Musk had previously threatened to ban Apple devices from his companies if Apple integrated OpenAI's technology into its operating system, citing security concerns. However, the sight of him holding an iPhone suggests a possible shift in his stance. This development invites further speculation on whether Musk has reconciled his differences with Apple, and how their business dynamics might evolve in the context of AI and tech integration. Elon Musk's previous remarks on Apple's integration with OpenAI highlight the growing concerns around data security, privacy, and artificial intelligence. Musk voiced concerns over Apple's handling of user data, warning that the integration of OpenAI into Apple's operating system could constitute a security violation. His position emphasizes the heightened awareness of how personal data is handled by tech companies, especially in the context of AI advancements. As AI becomes more embedded in operating systems, discussions around transparency, privacy, and user control over personal data will continue to shape the future of technology.